Hey guys, how's it going? Today we've got another cool horn to look at. So this is a 2021 K5H. With the K5H, you've got a number 1, you've got a number 2, you've got a straight 3, a straight 4, and then your number 5. So it's like a K5LA, except instead of a 3A and a 4A, you've got just a straight 3 and a straight 4. Kind of like what's on the K5HL. But with your K5HL, you have a 1L in place of the number 5. So really good sounding horn. It's a little bit of a higher pitched horn, of course. A little lower pitched than a regular K5LA, but higher pitched than a K5LLA. So keep up with me there. But anyway, really good sounding horn. It is a raised letter horn. Like I said, it's 2021. This one's actually around December also. All of my brand new horns that I have, I got them all together and they're all around that December area of 2021 when they were made. But anyway, I'll just spin it around. It does have, of course, your curved Nathan Airchime on the back caps. So anyway, just a pretty typical K horn, but K5H is a really popular horn. A lot of people like the K5Hs. And of course, like your 80s K5Hs are really popular because they sound really good. But anyway, so that's about it on this horn. Y'all enjoy this. This is the 2021 Nathan Airchime K5H.